Hey there, everybody. Today, we're talking about something called prompting. You use it all the time, even if you don't realize it. It's like giving a little nudge in the right direction. Imagine you're teaching a dog a new trick. You say sit, and when the dog sits, you give it a treat. That sit is a prompt. It's a cue that tells the dog what to do. In psychology, prompting is a way to help people learn new skills or behaviors. It's all about providing those little hints and cues that guide someone toward the desired outcome. And guess what? It's not just for dogs. Now let's talk about the two main types of prompts, response prompts and stimulus prompts. Response prompts are all about actions. They help someone perform a specific behavior. Think of it like this. You're helping someone learn a new dance move. You might gently guide their arms or show them the steps. These are response prompts in action. You're directly assisting with the desired response, which is the dance move. You're practically dancing with them, but not quite. Response prompts come in handy when someone needs a little extra support to get things right. It's like having a helpful friend there to show you the ropes. Speaking of friends, let's move on to the different types of response prompts. There are four main ones: verbal, gestural, modeling, and physical. First up, we have verbal prompts. These are simply spoken words or instructions. Remember the dog training example. Sit is a verbal prompt. Next, we have gestural prompts. These involve using gestures or body language to guide someone. Think of a parent pointing to a toy they want their child to pick up. That's a gestural prompt. Now, let's talk about modeling prompts. This is where you demonstrate the desired behavior. Imagine you're teaching a child to tie their shoes. You would show them how to do it first. And finally, we have physical prompts. These involve physically guiding someone through the desired behavior. For example, you might help a child hold a crayon correctly. Now, let's switch gears and talk about stimulus prompts. These are all about changing or enhancing something in the environment to make a particular response more likely. Think of it like highlighting important information in a textbook. You're not telling someone what to do directly, but you're making it easier for them to focus on what matters. Stimulus prompts can be incredibly effective in shaping how people perceive and respond to their surroundings. There are two main types of stimulus prompts, within stimulus prompts and extra stimulus prompts. Let's start with within stimulus prompts. These involve changing something within the stimulus itself. For example, imagine you're trying to teach a child to identify different colors. You might make the red object much larger than the others. This change within the stimulus makes it more likely that the child will pay attention to the red object. Now let's talk about extra stimulus prompts. These involve adding something to the environment to make a response more likely. For instance, imagine you're trying to help someone find a specific book in a library. You might place a brightly colored bookmark on the page you want them to see. The bookmark is an extra stimulus that draws attention to the desired location. Prompting is an incredibly powerful tool in psychology. It's used in countless settings, from classrooms to therapy sessions, to help people learn, grow, and overcome challenges. By understanding the different types of prompts and how they work, we can use them more effectively to support ourselves and others. Remember, a well-placed prompt can make all the difference in helping someone achieve their goals. And that's something to feel good about. That's all for today's show, everyone. Be kind to one another and don't forget to stay curious. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on psychology.